Welcome back. We are now moving into more advanced concepts where functions are treated as objects, just like integers or strings. This is known as first-class functions. This means you can assign a function itself to a variable, which is incredibly useful for flexible and dynamic programming. 1. Functions as first-class objects. In Python, everything is an object, including functions. When you define a function, you're creating an object and assigning it to the function's name. We can prove this by simply printing the function's name without parentheses. It shows its type and memory location. 2. Assigning to a new variable. Because a function name is just a variable pointing to the function object, you can assign it to a new variable. Note that we use the function name add without parentheses. This new variable, alias_sum, becomes an alias for the original function. 3. Executing the function via the alias. Now that the new variable points to the function object, you can call the function using the alias name, just as if it were the original function. The function executes the same code and returns the same result. To summarize, understanding that a function name is simply a reference to a function object is the first step toward advanced programming techniques. This concept is fundamental to the functional programming paradigm in Python. Our next lecture 12:08. Function inside another. See you there.